Stop what you are doing. Go to your cat and look into their eyes. Really look. Most people see beauty. But here is the truth. Your cat's eyes are a secret health monitor. They show warning lights before problems become disasters. I have worked with thousands of cats. Most owners are blind to these signs. They see their cat's eyes every day and have no idea their cat is telling them something life-saving. Cats hide pain. In the wild, showing weakness makes them prey, so they hide suffering from you. But they cannot hide it in their eyes. Eyes are honest. They always tell the truth. By the time you finish reading, you will never look at your cat the same way. You will notice problems early when they are easy to fix. This knowledge is simple but powerful. It could save your cat's life. Here are 5 critical things your cat's eyes are telling you about their health. 1. Watch the pupils. The first thing I check is pupils. Look at your cat's pupils. Are they both the same size? In a healthy cat, they should be equal. If one pupil is bigger than the other, this is an emergency. It means something is wrong with your cat's brain or nervous system. It could be a head injury, brain tumor, stroke, or ear infection. This is your cat screaming for help. Do not think it is just lighting. Think your cat's brain is showing a serious problem. This is like a smoke alarm going off. You would not ignore that. It is also about reaction. Shine a light in your cat's eyes. Pupils should get smaller quickly. If they stay big and wide all the time, even in sunlight, this could mean high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a silent killer. It damages brain, kidneys, and heart. Eyes are often the first place it shows. If pupils are tiny like pinpricks, it means severe pain or poisoning. This is simple. You just need to look. Every morning and night, check your cat's pupils. It takes 2 seconds. Those seconds could save their life too. The third eyelid. Cats have a third eyelid. It is a pink or white flap in the corner of their eye, near their nose. You might see it briefly when they wake up. That is normal. But if it stays visible when your cat is wide awake, this is a red flag. Your cat is telling you something is wrong with their whole body. This is one of the most ignored signs. When that third eyelid shows, it often means a severe stomach problem, dehydration, or infection. There is a condition called Horse syndrome where both third eyelids show at once. It is often caused by tapeworms. Your cat is fighting parasites. If only one third eyelid shows, it could mean a problem with that eye, like a scratch or tumor. Remember this: a visible third eyelid is never normal. It is not your cat being sleepy or cute. It is your cat being sick. This is the check engine light most owners ignore. If you see it, watch your cat closely. Are they drinking water? Are they eating? Do they seem tired? If it does not go away in a few hours, call your vet right away. 3. Cloudy eyes. Healthy cat eyes are crystal clear and shiny. But what if they look cloudy, hazy, or blue? This is not just aging. This is a sign of disease. Sometimes cloudiness is cataracts, but more often it is nuclear sclerosis, a natural hardening of the lens. That is normal. But here is the danger. If you see cloudiness that looks muddy or has a red tint, that is a corneal ulcer. This is a scratch on the eye surface. It is incredibly painful. Imagine sandpaper on your eyeball. That is what your cat feels. It is an emergency. A cat with an ulcer will squint, paw at their eye, and have discharge. The cause is often trauma like a fight or rubbing something sharp. Here is the scary part. A simple ulcer can turn into a perforation. The eye ruptures. Then you need emergency surgery to remove the eye. So when you see cloudiness, do not wait. Do not think you will watch it for a few days. Call the vet. Get it seen right away. Eyes are delicate. They need medical help. Your cat is relying on you to act fast. 4. Eye discharge. Eye goop is normal. A little clear fluid or brown crust in the corner is fine. It is like sleep in our eyes. The problem starts when the goop changes. Clear. Watery discharge often means allergies or a viral infection like herpes virus. It is not usually deadly but needs management. Now the danger zone. If the goop turns yellow or green, that means a bacterial infection. Your cat's eye is fighting something nasty. Thick, gunky stuff that glues the eye shut is a serious infection needing antibiotics right away. Water or a wet cloth will not fix this. You need prescription medicine. Here is something most do not know. Eye discharge is not always about the eye. A cat with a tooth infection, especially a root abscess, can have a weepy eye on that side. The sinuses and teeth are connected. An infection in the mouth can drain up through the eye. So be a detective. Look at the color. Yellow or green means infection. Coming from both eyes could mean a respiratory infection. One eye could mean injury or tooth problem. Every time you wipe their eye, look at what you wipe away. That goop is a clue. 5. Squinting means pain. This is the most important part because it is about behavior. Cats hide pain well. They pretend everything is fine. But when it comes to their eyes, they cannot hide it. If your cat is squinting, blinking a lot, or keeping one eye closed, they are in agony. They are not being dramatic. Squinting is a reflex. It protects the eye from light and pain. When you get something in your eye, you shut it tight because it hurts. Your cat does the same thing. Squinting with pawing at the face or rubbing on the floor is a classic sign of a corneal ulcer. It could also be uveitis, inflammation inside the eye. Here is the scary part. Uveitis is often linked to serious diseases like FIV, FealV, or toxoplasmosis. The eye problem might not be an eye problem at all. It could be a whole body disease. Now think about light. Does your cat avoid bright rooms? Do they hide in the closet when the sun comes out? This is light sensitivity. It is another red flag. They hide because light hurts their eyes. So when you see squinting or hiding, do not think they are shy. That squint is a scream for help. Your cat is saying, "I am in pain. Help me now." Call your vet. Get them seen. Pain is never normal. Your cat cannot speak words, but they try to tell you through their eyes. Pupils tell you about the brain and nerves. The third eyelid speaks to whole body illness. Cloudiness reveals injury and disease. Discharge color shows infection. Squinting is the alarm for pain. You now have the knowledge to see what others miss. Your cat is counting on you. They give these signs every day hoping you understand. Loving a cat is being their advocate. It is noticing and acting. Your cat's eyes tell a story. Now you can read that story. That power could save their life. Go to your cat now. Look into their eyes. Start paying attention. They are waiting for you to see them.